Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use the Instagram map. Let's start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home feed, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. This will take you to the Explore page. At the top of the Explore page, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and type in the name of a place you want to see on the map. It could be a city, a restaurant, a park, or any location you are interested in. Once you type the name, select the location result from the list. When you open that location, you will see a page with photos and videos posted by people who tagged that place. You can zoom in and out of the map using your fingers, just like you would on Google Maps. This helps you see nearby areas or get a closer look at the exact location. You can also drag the map to move around and explore different places. Thanks for watching.